In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google on an Android phone. First, let's check if the Google app is already installed on your device. This is crucial because most Android phones come with the Google app pre-installed. If it's there, we can simply update it to the latest version. You'll start by locating the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It typically looks like a colorful triangle. Once you find it, tap to open the app. You should see a vibrant interface with various app categories. This is your gateway to downloading and updating apps on your Android device. Next, you will need to search for the Google app within the Play Store. In the search bar at the top of the screen, tap and type Google. As you type, suggestions may appear below. This feature helps you find apps faster. Once you see the Google app in the search results, tap on it to go to its page. This page will provide you with useful information, including the app's description, ratings, and recent updates. Understanding this helps you ensure you are getting the official Google app. Now that you are on the Google app page, look for the Update button. This button will only appear if there is a newer version available for download. If you see it, tap on Update. This step is essential as it ensures you have the latest features and security updates from Google. You may notice a progress bar indicating the download and installation process. Watching this progress gives you reassurance that the app is being updated successfully. Once the update completes, you will see an Open button replace the Update button. Tap on Open to launch the Google app. This is where all the magic happens. The app will provide you with access to powerful tools like Google Search, Google Assistant, and more. You might notice a welcome screen or some prompts, especially if it's your first time using the updated version. This initial setup helps personalize your experience. After opening the app, take a moment to explore its features and settings. You'll find options to customize how Google interacts with you. For instance, you can change the voice settings for Google Assistant or adjust your search preferences. This is important because it allows the app to serve you better, making your searches more relevant and tailored to your needs. If the Google app was not previously installed, you would need to go back to the Google Play Store and search for Google as described earlier. The installation process is similar to updating. You will tap on Install instead of Update. This will download the app to your device. Again, you will see a progress bar indicating the installation status. This visual feedback ensures you know when the app is ready to use. Once the installation is complete, the Open button will appear like before. Tap on it to launch the Google app for the first time. You may need to sign in with your Google account if you haven't done so already. This step is vital because it allows you to access personalized features and services such as Google Drive and Calendar. In summary, updating or installing the Google app on your Android phone is a straightforward process. Following these steps ensures that you have the latest features and a fully functional app. With the Google app installed, you will have powerful tools at your fingertips, enhancing your experience on your Android device. You are now ready to explore everything Google has to offer.